Hey there, my name is Kurosh, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can troubleshoot and fix any issues that you're having with voice dictation on your Mac. Usually most issues come down to three very basic things. We're going to go through them, and if your voice recording is still failing, I will also show you another solution at the end of the video. Cool. So just to get started with the very basics, the first thing that you need to do is make sure that dictation is actually enabled for you. And the way you can do that is put your mouse at the top of your screen, click on the Apple icon, go onto System Settings. And once you're on there, this is the System Settings window, you simply just have to go down to Keyboard. On here, when you scroll to the bottom, you will now see the dictation features. Make sure that this is enabled. Also, you probably want to make sure that auto punctuation is enabled because you don't want to read out your commas or your punctuation. Now, the next thing you got to do is make sure that you're selecting the correct region. Apple's voice dictation can't automatically detect the language that you are speaking in. So if you're speaking in another language other than the one in here, it will just not really perform for you at all. So make sure you're using the right one over here. Then ensure that your microphone source is the one microphone that you actually want to use. So in my case, I have connected an external microphone and it is set here. If I were to disconnect it, that would work too. Now, the biggest reason why voice dictation often fails is because your microphone's input volume is too low. So what that means is that even though you have a microphone connected or you're using your computer's microphone, it is set to only capture very loud noises, which isn't great for voice dictation. So for example, what you need to do is you need to open System Settings again. So again, just up here, then System Settings, and then now you go to Sound. And when you go to Sound, you look, usually it will be set to output, but what you want to check for is the input volume. And you want to raise that to the very top or at least really, really high. And if you've done all of that, your dictation should work. Also, ensure that you're using the correct keyboard shortcut for it. So in my case, I'm pressing the microphone on my keyboard. So let's try it out. I'm just making sure that the dictation works correctly on Mac. Great. So it does seem to work, but it's not really auto-punctuating anything for me. Well, speech-to-text tool is fantastic, but not always great. As you can see, it works, but it's not really great, which brings me to another solution that we can use. So rather than using Apple's own voice dictation, we can use another app that is called Voicey that, as you can see, I have installed here. And just like Mac Dictation, Voicey is a dictation tool, but it's slightly more powerful and it's powered by AI. So I can also start Voicey with a keyboard shortcut. In my case, it's Control plus space. I can now just say whatever I want to say to Voicey and it will spit it out right there for me on the page. I click on it again, boom, and there we go. I have it and it's fantastic and it works every single time. And I never really have to go through the troubleshooting stuff like I do on Mac. And generally it is way more accurate than the Mac tool. Another big problem that I have with voice dictation on Mac is that it's really difficult to add a dictionary of words that I use myself. So for example, Mac will never realize my company's name if it is spelled weirdly. I work for a company called TinyHost with 2 I's and it doesn't get that. But with Voicey, I can simply go to my dictionary and I can put in all of the words that I use that aren't very common words that normal speech-to-text apps don't understand. So I would really recommend you to try out Voicey. You can go to usevoicey.com and download it from there for Mac or for Windows or any other tool that you use, and you should be good. But generally, follow these steps that I mentioned in this video and you should be able to fix voice dictation. I hope you enjoyed this video. If it was helpful, please leave a like. If you have questions, please leave a comment. And if you're interested in more productivity tips, follow me on YouTube. Thank you so much.